Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can export image in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut PC application, and as you can see, I have created a project, and for example, I'm going to export this video as an image in this CapCut PC application. For example, I'm going to export this part. Okay, if we want to export as an image, we can click on these three lines and then we can choose export still frames. Okay, and here you can choose the format. We have PNG and JPEG, and then I'm just going to choose PNG and I'm going to click on export. Okay, and now the image has been exported, and I'm going to go to my file explorer and then check the result. Okay, and this is the image we have just exported from CapCut PC. Okay, this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to export image in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.